Sanbonani, welcome to Eswatini Art Voices, Lips of the Heritage and Beyond the Crown. My name is Batli Ngumalo. Today we are honored to sit with Miss Culture Eswatini, Yoliswa Manana. Welcome to Eswatini Art Voices.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu kuba lana ngiyajabula kuba nani.
Nami ngiyajabula kuhlala nawe la. Njengoba ngifuna ukukuthatha back to that moment whereby bathi contestant number 12. Just take me there to that moment.
Yo, Nkosi yami ngalelo langa like sola ngilikhohlwa lelo langa. Ngajabula kakhulu fine bengadi ukuthi ngidowina nasisaqala lokhu kuba nalama rehearsal ukuthi like kumele ungenelele kuba ngimiskhala shatimpolite kanjalo. So bathi nabangibida lapha baqale babida lamanye ama princesses from ema regions lahlukene and then bathi nase kumele kubite queen like kuba nalawo ma sounds ladlalayo lapha
ukuthi ya different ukuthi yabona ke nyalo sesingena ku the moment.
Yes, the queen. So bathi nasebatobita ngikhumbula kahle like family yami beyihlele ekoneni and then like solo bayasho ukuthi like go and make us proud lapha, go and make us proud. Sebangifakela ne pressure sengingasadi ukuthi sekumele ngento enjani like bonke bakhona nasengidliwa like
but deep down you know
ukuthi ngidowina fine but nje yabona nasekunebami bese kuba khona lokho then bathi nabangibida ngajabula kakhulu ngigijima ngayo haka babu wami cause vele bekajabulile okay naye fine bekatonghlangabeta then sahlangana endleleni ngamhaka lapho like
okay uthi bo hadi ukuthi utowina. Just take me to that. What made you feel ukuthi yeah I'm the queen? Yini lokho kwakwenda wafila lathi unemehluko ukuthi mhlambe wena nguwe lota ucrown namhla?
Okay bengade ukuthi ngidowina nasisenda imalungiselelo alokuba Miss Culture since bekudimfo bengititayele kutenda lokho so ngiyeko ngeba ngazuthi kude lengikusabako nasakiti.
Looking at this time of the year whereby bamfla labangangawe but they get carried away with the modern world, with the trends, so ngifuna kwathi ukuthi ulithanza kanjani wena iculture ufika kanjani ethandweni leculture eminyakeni lengakanani ukuthi udiscover ukuthi yeah I love this thing, I love culture?
Sesikhathi lesithe kakhulu like kusukela okay nanyalo solo ngisemncane but ngisemncane kakhulu kunaloko like I was doing grade 5. Okay bengisolo ngilithanza then but bekude lapho lengakhona ku showcase khona lokuthi ngiyalithanza.
Okay.
Ngathi nangifika ke ka grade 5 ngahamba ngayo vakashela andi wami. Lapho ke khona andi wangithatha wangihambisa wangifaka timota semhlangeni because boma kwami bebangasidola bambula balalenzelela kangako Siswati. Ngahamba ke na andi wangifaka ngangena emhlangeni ngaqala lapho ngagida ngenda konke ngahamba ngeqa umhlanga solo ngienjoy like ngihamba ngemakhaya bamfuna nginale 70 yabo le imthimba nanani boma ke baba ngekho baba semsebenzini so ngihambe na bomzala bami sihambe siyekhona sifike makhona like ngibukele lapha ngisho ukuthi yo lemvu le ngiyayithanda yeah then ngabe sesengicala ukuvakashela ani nakuvala tikolo imvo ekucala nje manje ngicake ukuvakashela ani ngijakele ngijakele kona lokho ukuthi ngiyathi nanga andi ngiyakhuleka
ngiyakhona kuba nguwe
ngiyakhona kwenda lokho lengikuthanda
yebo usogece kangakho umhlanga njengoba uthi Debo ugidza umhlanga
sukela ka grade 5 vele solo ngiyahamba ngiyageca but benga enjoy because bengashuqi besihamba ngitimo.
Okay. How's the experiences Miss Culture so far?
So far it's so good Chem, like I don't wanna lie like na lengihambisana nabo baba nayo support like
okay njengemumflo musha nje as an advocate for the heritage, how do you navigate in a space whereby ufuna ukuthi youth and bamfla bangangakho baya batigcabe ngeculture utitshela ukuthi how will you navigate in that space, how will you spread the word, how will you make them love the culture?
Ngihamba ngetikolweni ngifike ngibakhulumise ngeSiswati
okay
like ngibachazele kusukela ekuqaleni ngemvelaphi yesiSwati ngibakhombise buhle beSiswati imvunulo yethu konke nekudla yabo imigidvo yesiSwati kuze batokhona ukukuthanda because vele na ufika ubatshela nje ukuthi ke kutshelelani imvoto yesiSwati nambeni imvoto yesiSwati bathoba like imvoto akadzeni tabogogo because vele sibelieve la ukuthi imvoto akadzeni kanti cha imvoto anyalo kubuka siba ngayo yona imvunulo
we are actually where you are the bridge between then and going forward.
Yeah.
I want to know ukuthi what are you going to leave behind towards the end of the reign? Ufuyini lofuna kukhunjulwa ngayo wena as Miss Culture ngaphandle kwebuhle bakho ngaphandle kwesmile ngaphandle kwebuhle ngathi langa liphuma ufuna ukukhunjulwa ngani?
ngifuna ukukhunjulwa ngekuyina tinhlitiyo tebamfula abasha yabo
Okay.
ukuthi tibuye ekhaya
Okay.
emvelaphini yethu.
Okay.
Ngifise ukuthi bamfula abasha labanengi babuye
Okay.
bathanze isiswati sethu
Okay.
bangafuni kuwelela kulamanye emabe kufuna kuya thatha imvoto kulamanye emabe
Okay.
batichenye nje ngekuba ngewemaswati.
Thank you so much, Yolisa, for joining us. Sendivele ke ukuthi culture isn't found in the museum. It is found in how we tell our stories. It is found in how we treat one another. Thank you for tuning in at Voices. Bahle Nxumalo, your host. Catch us on our next episode.